In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download CapCut app on Android. Let's dive right into it. The safest and easiest way to install CapCut is through the Google Play Store. This ensures that you get the official version of the app, free from any potential threats or malware. Now, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once you have the Play Store open, you'll notice a search bar located at the top of the screen. Tap on it to activate the search function. This is where you'll type in the name of the app you're looking for. It's a quick and efficient way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through endless lists. Next up, type the word CapCut into the search bar. Be sure to spell it correctly to ensure accurate search results. As you type, you'll likely see suggestions pop up below. This can be helpful if you're not sure of the exact spelling or if you're searching for something similar. Once you've typed CapCut, you should look for the app named CapCut Video Editor. It's important to make sure that the developer listed is ByteDance Pte. Limited. This is crucial because it confirms you're downloading the legitimate app. There might be other apps with similar names, but they won't have the same features or security. Now that you've found the right app, tap on the Install button. This action will begin the download process. It's a good time to ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. This helps the download process go smoothly and prevents unnecessary data charges if you're on a limited mobile data plan. After you tap Install, you'll need to wait for the download to finish. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet speed. Use this moment to double-check that your device has enough storage space for the app. Having sufficient storage ensures the app installs correctly. Once the download is complete, tap Open to launch the CapCut app for the first time. This step is exciting because you're now ready to explore all the creative possibilities CapCut offers. You can start editing videos right away or take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's features. Remember, only download apps like CapCut from the Google Play Store. This is your best defense against downloading potentially harmful software. APK sites might seem tempting, especially if you're having trouble with the Play Store, but they can be unsafe. It's always better to stick with verified sources. In summary, you've now successfully downloaded and opened CapCut on your Android device. This is a straightforward process that prioritizes safety and reliability. Always ensure the developer is ByteDance Pte. Limited to avoid any issues. With CapCut installed, you're all set to create amazing content. Thanks for following along, and happy editing!